Ayan, good morning everyone. Ayan, gandang umaga sa inyo. Ay, kahapon, did you enjoy the market yesterday? Ang daming nanalo, especially sa mga recommendations natin, di ba? I kept telling you guys, yung mga bullish na stocks, do not ever underestimate them. Always watch out for them because there's always intraday opportunity in those kinds of stocks. And yun na nga, nagliparan kahapon. Sino ba yung mga top winners kahapon? Let me check my charts. Yan, naririnig nyo ba ako? I think so. Yan. Big winners kahapon. Yan, isa si Win. Recommendation natin yan kahapon. Or isa yan sa big winners. So I recommended that yesterday. But tingnan nyo si IRC. Yan, yun yung mga bullish na stocks. Always look out for them. I recommended Paxis kasi nag-Bollinger Band trigger. I'm gonna share to you my screen, di ba? Yan, nag-Bollinger Band trigger si Paxis the other day, and I mentioned to you yesterday, watch out for it. And yun, nag 8.38%. Umabot pa nga siya na mas mataas. Umabot siya ng 3.88. So, never underestimate these kinds of stocks. Sino yung mga nagbo-Bollinger Band trigger? This is why I love Bollinger Band triggers because this will help you find out which stocks are bullish. Right? Eto dito, si Paxis. Dito pa nga lang, okay na siya. Jazz, yan, si Jackstone yan. Unang Bollinger Band triggers pa lang niya, you have to watch this stock already. Yan, nagbo-Bollinger Band trigger na dito. Ito na yung signal niya unang breakout niya nag-pullback lang sa MA20 and you see why I love MA20, right? That's why you only see this in my screen. That's why I love MA20. And then, don't ever underestimate these kinds of stocks. If you want to be good at intraday trader, you have to look at the bullish stocks and ride them. This is called scalping, di ba? So, you have to scalp out, pasok kayo, and then just get out right away. Don't hold on to these stocks because wala kayong base, di ba? So, while waiting for the audience, yan, we are now 50. Good morning sa inyo. I'm gonna read the greetings. Yan, may nagpapabati pala. So, nag-comment kanina sa Jake Pareño. Yan, he watches us daily. Good morning, Jake Pareño. Right? Christian Lacaste. Ayan, game. MC Butete, good morning. Ganda ng background music niya. Thank you. Right. By Spanky, nangape. Right. Gilan Candog, Maing Buntag, and Bruno Clown, hello din. Rico Velasco, Carlos Haino, good morning sir. SMPH update. Yeah, actually SMPH is one of my recommendations today because nasa support na naman siya. Okay, let's talk about that while. Yan. Ang ganda I did mention yesterday, pag tumungtong yan ng 32%, pumasok na kayo sobrang mura na ng 32 pesos. And look, it stopped at 33.70. I'm still recommending it kasi napakamura niya pa rin as of the moment. But the best position was at around 32 pesos. Pag tumungtong ulit yan ng 32, pasok ulit kayo kasi napakamura na yung 32 for SMPH. Yan. Good morning. We're gonna be discussing about that more later, Carlos. Ayan. SGM stocks. Good morning, Den, and everyone here. H2O, FPI, and OR, please. H2O. Okay naman si H2O, kaso nga lang naka-hold pa siya. I'm still watching out for H2O to be, for their halt to be lifted. Pag bumalik na sila, definitely I'm recommending H2O, especially for intraday traders. May potential doon. Or if you are if you're a swing trader, pwede mong gawin doon is pumasok ka, and then, pag nanalo, just sell half, and then, yun nga lang, ang cut loss mo, it really depends up to you if kaya yung mag-cut loss sa support. But I recommend just selling half pag kumita kayo, and then on the other half, sell it at your purchase price, right? So that's for H2O. I'm gonna write down SGM stocks. Isusulat ko muna si FPI, tsaka si OR. Yan, FPI, tsaka si OR. Yan. We're gonna be talking about OR later on. I'm gonna be writing down FPI. Right. Tell us about yesterday's win. Si Win. May news lumabas si Win Kaso nga lang, I usually use the technical analysis. I think sinasabi ko sa inyo. Whenever there is news, tapos nasa support ang isang stock, pasok yan sa banga. Sobrang ganda-ganda ng win natin kay Win yesterday, right? Material information kay Win, eto. So, we're gonna be discussing about that. And kaso nga lang hindi to it's not a very clear news. It's just about tawag nito, may rehabilitation something, but then again, ang ginamit natin kay Win I think there's more news into win, right? Ang ginamit natin is just basically support and resistance, right? Support, yan, just abang lang kayo sa stocks na support. Look at that, look at that. Win was from this kind of movement and then bumagsak, then nag-stabilize at that support. So that means this is a very good support right here. Ganyan rin nangyayari kay Now, nung bumagsak sila, kay Vulcan, the same. Right, after movements like this, bumaba and nagsa-stabilize, kaso lang si Vulcan mas mahaba yung stabilization niya. So Win naman, yan, went up, stabilized, that's a good sign right here. That's a higher support, and then pwede na kayo mag-test buy dyan. Ganyan lang naman talaga sa stock exchange. Right, so we're gonna talk about that in a bit more. Right, Sir Lloyd, anyari sa Now, biglang lumipad sa closing. After the TOR, lumabas si TOR. Usually kasi, pag ganito mga news kay TOR, basta may TOR, naapektahan si Now. Pag maganda yung news, lumabas yung TOR, yun, we were expecting Now to go up. And it did. Kagandahan kasi sa TOR, pasok lahat si Now, right? Now can do all of those requirements sa TOR na walang problema. Yun, ang pinaka-problema lang nila is the 10 billion na paid capital, which is, I don't think it will be hard for them. They're already halfway there. Hanap na sila ng partner na makakasupply ng the other 5 billion, and they should be good. They should be able to bid. So I think that's the reason why umakyat talaga si Now. Right? Rico Velasco, magandang umaga. Good morning din. Susan Manalo, sorry, nawala. Joy Lagares, salamat Pagi. Ayan, Malayan, di ba? Good morning. Pete Flores from KSA. Wow, good morning. Ayan, Bull and Bear. Good day then. Rico Velasco, it's okay to buy po ba, sir? AEV and AP ngayon. AEV and AP, I'll write that down. AP is very undervalued already. So, basically, this is very good to buy for traders, right? After the questions, i-line up ko lang yung mga questions nyo. We're gonna be talking about the PSEI. At long last, after 27 long days, trading days, PSEI showing good signs na mas mataas na ang net foreign buying kaysa net foreign selling. Meaning, hindi na nagbebenta gaano ang mga foreigners. Bakit? Sobrang mura na, di ba? So, hindi na sila nagbebenta. And, mas marami pa ang pumasok. Kaso nga lang, nasa 3 billion lang. Problema niyan is konti pa lang ang pumapasok, meaning marami pa rin takot na investor pero wala na nagbebentahan, right? Ang problema kasi the previous days is natatakot mag-invest ang mga tao plus nagbebentahan pa. Ngayon, mas konti ang nagbebenta, kaso nga lang yung pumapasok hindi pa gaano malaki, right? So that's the problem right now. So with that using that as a measuring stick, this means that the market will be going sideways for the meantime. So we are not in a reversal yet. So it's not yet a reversal, okay? Nagsistabilize lang. Hopefully this continues. Pag nagsistabilize na yan, nako, ang mga blue chips ang gaganda. Sayang hindi 13th month pay ngayon kasi pag nag 13th month pay, lalagay ko sana sa mga blue chips yan. Pag may mga bonus kasi may ipon kayo, lagay nyo na sa buying power nyo. Anytime soon, magre-recover na yung market na yan. This is a very good sign. After 27 days, pero nyo, 27 days nag-sell off. Right? This is because there was no development sa trade wars, but ang US is still very affected. Bumabagsak pa rin ang mga stocks sa US, right? Sa Dow Jones kasi dahil dyan sa trade wars ni Trump, right? So still it's not yet, hindi pa tayo pwede kumampante kasi PSE is still much affected. The Philippine stock market is still much affected by foreigners, right? Hindi kasi yung konti lang ng mga investors ng mga Pinoy. Yan. Kaya nga guys, help me inspire more Filipinos to start investing in stock exchange. Sayang naman yung mga foreigners ang yumayaman dahil sa stock market ng mga Pinoy, 'di ba? So, tell your friends to start investing in stock market, influence them, be a good influencer sa mga kaibigan nyo. Right, so I'm gonna go back to the questions. Rico Velasco, ayan, Raul Palabas, good morning IRC. We're gonna be talking about IRC in a while. Hazel Miranda, Tim Anora, Chris 18, good morning then. Ayan, good morning Sir Lloyd, Randy, What are your insights about JAS and CEI? Si JAS, discuss natin yan ngayon. CEI, yes, wala yan sa lista ko. How about any news kay H2O? Wala, nag-aabang ako kay H2O. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you paano kayo mag-abang sa isang stock. Ang inaabangan ko ngayon is really PTNT. Ganito kayo mag-abang dapat sa isang stock. Let me pull up my browser. Ito lang gamitin ko. Right. So, ganito ang ginagawa ko. PSE Edge. Go to edge.pse.com.ph. Then, search for the company. Ang inaabangan ko is PTNT. So, just go here. Then, company disclosures. And then, magbo-bookmark ako niyan. Ibo-bookmark ko yan siya. So, PTNT disclosure. Kasi inaabangan ko si PTNT. So, every day, pag pumunta ako dito, puntahan ko yung mga bookmarks ko and just go to PTNT. And then, yun, makikita na natin agad yung disclosure ng PTNT. Right? So, right now, wala pang update si PTNT. Tingnan natin si H2O. Sorry, 0 ang na-press ko. Yan, si H2O. Isa rin yan sa tinitingnan natin. So, H2O Ventures Corp, go to company disclosures. Yan, June 26, clarification of news report lang. Today is the 27th, so wala silang news today. So, I don't think may lalabas sila today. But still, abangan ninyo. Usually kasi, around 7 o'clock lumalabas yung news. Next is lunchtime, lumalabas ang news. And the other news, sa hapon na lumalabas. Yun yung usual schedule ng mga news. As of the moment, wala pang news kay H2O. Right, Ryan Dorielo, Singapore. Good morning. Yan, good morning then from Singapore. Pervito, good morning. Morning, sir. BRN, Vita, and Now, sir. Yan, si BRN, nasa recommendations ko yan. Let me double check yan. Si Vita nga lang, wala pa. Maraming ipit kay Vita, no? Hindi nag-cut loss. Right, Now, yan, si Now, pag-usapan naman natin yan eh. Right, so Now, andyan yan, lagi. Right, DMC po, sir. We'll talk about DMC. Sulat ko si DMC. Alright. ISM from Ryan Doruelo. Hazel was asking about DMC. Si Hazel Miranda. ISM. Yan. Team Anora. Sir Paliog sa MRC. Vita. MPI. MPI is one of my recommendations today. Let me just double check. MPI. Ay, wala pala si MPI. So, we're gonna be checking about MPI. MRC and Vita. Si MRC, andyan na. And si Vita, andyan na. That's for Team Anora. Bruno Clown, BSC. Yan, BSC. Lagi naman nagsa-sideways si BSC eh. Wala yung pag gumagalaw talaga. Mark, FLI, and Max. Si FLI, yan. Si FLI, napakamura na ni FLI. It's very undervalued already. MPI is there already. Yan. This is from Deng. You're welcome in advance then. Annette Bala, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Bloom, please. Yan, let's talk about Bloom then. Downturn pa kasi bigla itong mga ito eh. Romel, asan na yun? Naipit si Straw Abi sa AB. Right, SMPH and SOS is an SOS. Stock on sale, yes. Totoo yan. Romel Ikasyano, sabi ni Romel, SOS si SMPH, yes. Kaya lagi nasa recommendation ko si SMPH kasi I don't want you guys to miss out on these kinds of opportunities. SMPH, blue chip yan. It's a sure shot kay SMPH. Mas maganda yan, pasukan, kaysa sa mga ano. Yan yung sinasabi ko lagi kasi newbies pa kayo. Isa sa mga lessons ko lagi is start with blue chips, right? Start practicing trading in blue chips. Kaya palit-lit lang na win. Kahit palit-lit lang. Kasi the theory behind that is blue chips pa nga lang na ganda ng fundamentals. Hindi nyo maipanalo, ano na kaya yung mga mas volatile na mga stocks, what they call basura stocks, diba? So always start with blue chips, right? Sir, good morning po, IRC and AB po. Please, naipit ako kay AB. Yan. We're gonna be talking about AB. And ito na yung support for AC. Thanks. Yes, it is the support for AC. We're gonna be talking about that in a while. Guten Morgen in Deutschland. Good morning. Yan. Guten Morgen. And Mark Maro Malvar. Good morning din. BDO update by Vice Spanky. Yan. BDO. Si BDO pulang-pula pero still sitting at that support strongly. When the market going sideways, I think BDO is good to go, good to buy. Pwede na kayo mag-test buy dyan. Red Abyss, good AM po. NRCP, nasa recommendation ko yan. STR and RWM. Let's talk about STR and RWM in a while. STR, RWM, right? So, mag-stop muna ako kay Red Abyss. Good morning, Daryl John Morales from Mati. And guys, before we start with my recommendations, reminders, this program is brought to you by 2Trade Asia. If you want a broker that can make you trade whenever, wherever you are, try 2Trade Asia. They have a good mobile app, and then they have this watcher option, which I always recommend for you to have one. Also, if you want to help the channel out, don't forget, meron tayong super chat option dyan sa chat natin. Yung dollar sign na yan, katabi ng emoji. That's a super chat option if you want to help me, help other Filipinos for this program to continue better. Please use super chat. Also, if you want to help me out but don't want to spend money, wala pa yung coins.ph, you can make a coins.ph account. Use the link on the video description, may coins.ph dyan. Be ready for the cryptocurrency. Libre lang gumawa ng account. What this does is, if ma-verify niyo yan, whenever you want to buy Bitcoins or Ethereum even, pwede kayong bumili kaagad, right? Whenever that opportunity strikes, you better be ready. Dapat meron na kayong coins.ph. So, create a coins.ph account. Use my link, please. Right, so let's go to my recommendations for today. Unahin ko yung mga intraday na mga opportunities na meron. Win. Yan. Number 1 sa Win. Yun yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. There's always an intraday potential here. Yung mga swing traders, if you are just a swing trader, hindi nyo mapapanood ang market the full time. Huwag na kayo pumasok dito. Unahin ko lang yung mga intraday potentials, okay? Never mix intraday strategy with swing trading strategy. Right? Iba ang swing trading. Kasi swing trading, dapat dito sa baba, pumosisyon na kayo. For these kinds of positions, wala kayong base niyan. If you're not willing to lose this much, right, pwede kayo matalo ng 23% if nag-fail yan at hindi nag-bounce sa support. Pag bumagsak yan, pwede kayo matalo ng 23%. Malaking bagsak yan if you're a swing trader. So, this is not a good position for a swing trader. Sa mga intraday trader, there's always good potential in this, right? This is a bullish stock. Yun yung sinasabi ko lagi, don't underestimate bullish stocks. There's opportunity in it intraday. Tapos labas lang kayo kaagad. So, Win, IRC din. Si IRC, there's intraday potential here. Nag-Bollinger Band trigger siya. So, there's a good sign for IRC. Right? ISM din. Right, nag-pullback lang si ISM. Anytime soon, ISM is gonna go up again. If umakyat yan, pwede nyo sakyan. Yan. I think babagsak pa ito ng konti before going up. Right, so wait kayo dito around this area kung saan siya nag-bounce, but there's intraday potential there. Baka mag-bounce dyan uli. Ang mga swing traders naman, wait for it at MA20 or wait for it to make a solid support before kayo pumasok. Right, that's for ISM. And guys, remember, this is a bearish market. Kaya, wag kayong all in, right? If you are gonna enter in these kinds of positions, wag all in. Just put in money you are willing to risk, right? Paxis, kakasabi ko lang kahapon, yesterday, check Paxis kasi nag-Bollinger Band trigger and there's always intraday potential there, and look at that. Yung potential niya umakyat pa nga. So, tingnan nyo ulit si Paxis. Right, next is Jazz. Diniscuss din natin to kahapon. These are bullish stocks. Yan, nag-breakout pa nga si Jazz, diba? So, but I think this is not gonna go any higher. Ang taas na ng RSI niya. But then again, there's always intraday potential there. Pwede nyo rin abangan yung waterfall. For those who don't know what waterfall is yet, yun yung panic selling. For sure, baka magbentahan ng mga tao dito kasi masyadong mataas na yan. Saluhin nyo yung after ng bentahan. There's intraday potential in that. And then, FPI. Yan, si FPI kahapon ng Bollinger Band trigger. Right there. So, again, don't underestimate bullish stocks. It's not for swing traders, but yung mga gusto mag intraday traders, there is intraday potential dito sa stock na mga ito. right? Because these are bullish stocks. Pumiyok ako, walang boses. Sorry about that. Yan. Those are the intraday potential stocks, right? Now, sa swing traders naman, these are the position traders. Number one, si BRN. Position na kay BRN, it's holding that support strongly. And it's backed up by very good numbers. First quarter and annual earnings nila, napakaganda. Even their third quarter earnings, napakaganda. So, this is backed up by very solid numbers. Kahit na nag-bearish ang market, nag-sideways lang siya. Right? So, this means there is strength in this stock. Bilhin na habang nasa support pa siya. Don't go all in nga lang. Right? That's my number one. Next is MPI. I noted here MPI, wait for the bounce. Andyan na tayo sa support area. Right? Wait for the MPI bounce. Right? Abangan nyo yung bounce ng MPI. As of the moment, wag na muna. Antayin nyo lang yung bounce. Pag nag-bounce na yan, that's your entry point. You can do an end of the day strategy here. Pag end of the day nag-green yan, pasok na kayo para wag na kayo makipaghabulan bukas. Right? That's for MPI. It's a very good company. Right? SMPH yan. Isa sa mga recommendations, always setting for SMPH. Yan yung sinasabi ko, it's already here. We have a bounce already. So, mag-ipon na kayo ng SMPH. The best position is at around 32 pesos. Kahapon, umabot ng 32. Nagbilihan ng mga tao. So, I don't think people are gonna be selling their SMPH lower than 32. So, I think this is already solid for SMPH. SMPH is already very good. SMPH tapos si MBT din. Been recommending MBT dito pa lang sa pulang ito, and then look at that, umakyat. Now, bumagsak si MBT yesterday, we are at support area again. Right? We are at support area again, so wait for that bounce. RSI is already looking good. So anytime soon magbabounce na ito. 70 is very good price kay Metrobank. Right? Yung target profit natin is around 85 pesos. This is a very good cheap price for Metrobank already. Next one is EMP kasi nasa support. Ilang araw na itong ganito si EMP, but it's okay, right? This is a good position kay EMP. Look at that position. It's at its solid position right here before going up like that. Just be patient, right? Anytime soon, baka pumutok na yun si EMP. Gagandahan kay EMP, very low risk. Right? Ang liit ng risk ni PMP. CLC, we have that support right there already. Ang ganda na ng position ni CLC. So, try to mag-ipon na kayo. Don't go all in kasi baka bumagsak ito. Bumagsak man ito, meron kayong pang average down. I will recommend CLC for long term. Right? Ang ganda ng CLC for long term. Very good company. Very many projects. Ang daming investments ngayon. They're into shipping. Bumili sila maraming barko. Ang problema sa mga barko is matagal yung ROI nila. Right? So, but pag nag-ROI na yan, tiba-tiba naman yung kumpanya. Right? So, that's with their investment. Next one. ABA. Si ABA kasi is making a support. Right here. Konting ingat lang. Buy as long as that support holds. Don't go all in. And then, I've been recommending URC. This is one of my boldest recommendations kasi grabe ang downturn ni URC. And, yan, dito pa nga lang, we already mentioned that 112 is a good support for URC. And it's been holding that support. This is a good sign right here. It's already at 118. If it goes lower to 115, to 112, to 112 is the best one. Pero pwede pa kayong mag-bargain to. Lower to 115, right? Before kayo pumasok. URC is is already looking good. Ang ganda na ng presyo ni URC. Wilcon, IDC, and FEN. So, Wilcon, recommended ko yan. We have a support right here. Pula siya kahapon. But, then again, that's a good news. Kasi, nakabargain tayo. Right? Wilcon, as long as that support holds, you buy. Don't go all in then. IDC. Yan. IDC still at support area right there. Umaakyat siya pero pulahan. Pero umaakyat, diba? Kahit pula siya, umaakyat pa rin yan. So, that's a very good sign for IDC. This is a good position right here para pumwesto kay IDC. FEN. Yeah. FEN is making this support right here. Aso nga lang, this is pangit yung earnings ni FEN first quarter tsaka annual niya, but that support right there is looking good. Yung RSI niya kasi, I recommended this because RSI It's already there. Ang ganda na ng RSI niya, meaning wala nang nagbebenta ng below 1.23. So that's a good sign for FEN, right? Buy as long as the support holds, but test buy lang, right? Kasi natatakot kasi talaga ako pag ganito mga earnings But right here, RSI is already looking very good for FEN. So it's a good opportunity to test buy as long as that support holds. SBS, yan, SBS. After this one right here, may magandang news kay SBS. They are very aggressive with their, I posted this earlier, they're very aggressive with their real estate and expansions nila in real estate. So that's a good sign. That means SBS is looking good the coming in the future, right? So SBS is one of the best companies you will want to invest in because they have good projects. Malaki yung project nila sa Quezon City, right? So those are prime lots. Ang ganda ng posisyon na yan. So I'm gonna go to your questions. Meron pa pala. Si NRCP. Yan, NRCP kasi nasa support. Kasi lang pulahan siya. But I want you guys to start buying NRCP. Mag-test buy kayo while it's at its support. Ang ganda ng kumpanya nito, right? Look at that first quarter earnings, very good numbers. Yung annual niya, negative nga lang, but na-recover naman ang first quarter niya. That's a very good position kay NRCP. This is a very solid support. Right, so, next one, sa NRCP, Costco, FLI, and JGS. Costco. And Costco is holding out its support right there. The other day nag-open siyang maliit and then it recovered. You see the demand there. Kahapon maganda yung volume niya. It's a doji. So this is a good sign for Costco. So yung mga nanonood kay Costco, this is a good sign for Costco. FLI, pula si FLI, but look at that RSI. It's very good. The last time it hit these levels of RSI, umakyat siya. So this is a good price for FLI, 1.42, right? It's already a long-term support. FLI, my man, this is looking good, right? This might bounce anytime soon. And if you wanna go, if you're fond of support and resistance, this is perfect support right here. Look at that. Last time it reached that RSI, umangat. Last time it reached that RSI, umangat. Last time it reached that RSI, umangat din. Here it is. There it is. Napakamura na ng presyo niyan. This is very undervalued na stock, si FLI. So definitely watch FLI. This will be one of my biggest recommendations for the coming days. Test buy kayo if it starts bouncing, and then just, if you're a trader, just cut loss below 1.39, pero napakamura na nito So I'd rather recommend just averaging down because I don't think this is gonna go down any further, but I can't be sure. Pwede kayo, it's up to you. If you wanna cut loss, then good. Okay na naman mag-cut loss If you are in as a trader, then you just cut loss, right? I want you guys, ang layo-layo pa ng resistance ni FLI. And if you want to check FLI's history, right, akyat baba lang yan. So bumaba, umakyat, bumaba, and then you know where this is coming after. So akyat na naman yan. So that's just the history of FLI, right? So we're at a very good position for FLI. So definitely watch out for FLI. JGS, recommending JGS then. I recommended this yesterday because I thought this was gonna bounce, and it did. Look at that. Kasi napaka ganda na ng RSI ni JGS. Napakamura na ng presyo na yan. And it was at this support area right here. So same setup with FLI. So mag-ipon na kayo at this bottom right here. So that's why I'm recommending JGS first. Also. Right, PMPC, wait for MA20, and I think kahapon ba ito, hindi ko lang to na-edit. Right, so nagbabounce na naman si PMPC, medyo mataas na, so I'm gonna be removing PMPC on my list for the meantime. OPM, recommending OPM kasi yan, nasa 0.110 na naman siya. Right, it was a long time ago na bumaba pa siya. And then look at that. That's a solid support right there. If makabili kayo ng 110, sus, ang ganda niyan. Kasi isang click lang yan. Pag tumaas yan, instant 8%. Paano pag umabot sa 1.0130? Meron kayong 18% instant sa dalawang click lang. So if kaya nyo bumili at 110, this is very good. ito yung isa sa mga stocks na pinagpeperahan ko. Because whenever it goes down at around, eto, 110, good. Usually, nagsaset nga ako ng buying nito ng 110 eh. Inaabangan kayo at 110. Pag may nagbenta ng 110, papasukin ko kagad yan. Isang click lang pataas, pera na. Look at this. May nag 110, nakapera siya dito, and tumaas pa nga. So, I usually play it like this. Swerte kung aabot pa yun ng 140, kung may bumili ng 0.140. Then again, this is at a very solid support already. So, OPM, yan yung mga technique na yung mga traders na mga galing, they play with OPM. Ito yung mga isa sa mga pinaglalaruan. Right? Next one is Mark. We'll talk about Mark. Yan, nag-breakout si Mark yesterday. Very good move kay Mark. Ang laki ng panalo niya kahapon, 5%. Right, look at that. Bollinger Band Trigger Plus, it's a breakout. You can use this support as your, you can use that breakout level, yung resistance na yan kahapon, use that as your support if you wanna trade Mark. Right? Just cut loss below that, or if kaya ninyo yung MA20, pero medyo malayo-layo yung MA20 eh. Right? If it will break MA20, which is 6%, kung kaya niyan, then nasa inyo na. You can cut loss below the MA20. But this is a very good position kay Mark already. Right? You can cut loss at around 2% in yung risk ninyo. Very good position. Breakout to Mark plus nag-Bollinger Band Trigger. So, I'm gonna go to your questions. FPI. FPI, yan, is a bullish stock. There's always potential intraday trading for FPI. AEV. May tanong about AEV. Yan, AEV has a support. I'm not sure bakit bumagsak si AEV. Ganda naman ng mga earnings niya. Right, so AEV is looking good. Yan. It's just that the market is bearish. Yan, meron tayong bounce kay AEV. That's a good sign. This is a good sign, time para mag-ipon kay AEV. Right? Ipon kayo dyan. Maganda na yung presyo niyan. It might go lower even. Look at the RSI. Bumaba bang RSI nga dito na level. But if this is the market reversal, if this is the market stabilizing, so I think this stock is stabilizing also. So that's a good position for AEV. Pwede na kayo mag-test buy niyan. Then if it goes down further, hanap lang kayo na support, and then just average down. This is a very good company. Wala kayong dapat ikatakot dyan. Especially with AP. Yan, si AP. Very undervalued stock. Look at that. Kahapon, 33.5. Sobrang mura ang sell-off kahapon. Bounce agad siya. Right? We have this 34. That's a very good price. Look at that RSI. That's very good already. I think pwede nang mag-ipon kay AP. I want you to wait for a bounce to just be sure. Right? Pag nag-bounce yan, that's a good sign. This is a very solid sign na maraming nag-aabang kay AP. Right? Andyan pa rin yung buying kay AP. Right? AP, mag-ipon na kayo. CEI. Talking about CEI. Nga pala guys, if you're looking for an avenue to, to earn passive income, right? Financial freedom, hindi lang naman stocks yung inaano ko eh. Yung advocacy ko eh. My advocacy really is about financial freedom. And one key to financial freedom, the biggest key to financial freedom is passive income. You have to earn while you're sleeping. Kahit nagkakasakit ka, wala kang ginagawa, dapat may kinikita ka. That is the key to financial freedom. Right? Robert Kiyosaki, if you've read his book, Financial Freedom, to be really rich, you have to have your passive income bigger than your monthly expenses. How to have good passive income? You have to invest in other things, not just stock exchange. Mag-invest kayo sa ibang mga bagay na makaka-earn sa inyo na wala kayong ginagawa. Franchising, businesses, and one good avenue I'm sharing to you is copy trading ng eToro. Right? eToro is an international broker. Pwede kayo mag-trade ng commodities, even cryptocurrencies, foreign markets. Facebook, pwede kayong bumili dyan. But then again, I'm sharing it for the copy trading and the copy funds. Just put your money there and then let the good traders do the trade for you. Check out copy trading video. I have one in my videos. It's a good avenue to earn extra without doing anything. So passive income nga diba? So check out eToro. Meron akong link sa description ng video. just create an account using that eToro link that will also help me in return. Right, so going back sa questions niyo, CEI. Ito si CEI. We have bounces right here. This is a good sign right here. Kaso nga hindi pa talaga siya, nag-engulfing na ito. Right, so this is a good sign for crown equities. Right, more or less, itong downtrend na ito, tapos na. So, if you're into crown equities, which is really good, they have good numbers. Look at this. Matagal ko na itong pinapanood si CEI. We have a possible reversal right here. Pwede na kayo mag-ipon dyan. Right? I will recommend CEI for investing. Pwede kayo mag-invest dito. This is a good company. So, if you buy here, don't buy everything. Don't buy all your money. Huwag mo ubusin. If you have 100K, put in 35,000 here. Then, if bababa pa yan and then makes a new support, which is, actually, support na itong area na ito eh. So, ang ganda na ng posisyon yan. Kung bumaba man yan, pwede ka mag-average down, right? Mamaya na kayo mag-all-in if you have a higher low already. Right? CEI is very good. Thank you for sa nagtanong kay CEI. I'm gonna be recommending CEI. Hindi ko to nakita. Right? Thank you for the question about CEI. I'm recommending CEI. CEI. Right, so, just mamaya na ako mag-review ng mga Time check is 8:53. Ang bilis ng oras. So, bibilisan ko ito. AP, tapos na tayo. Vita. Check out Vita. Wala nang bosses. Again, guys, if you wanna help me out, there is a super chat button sa chat room natin. If you wanna help me, help more Filipinos, please support the channel by using the super chat. Your donations are gonna go a long way. Vita, 1 day Vita. Ayan. Wala pa tayong signs of reversal, right? This is a good support right here. It's forming a support. This can be good for Vita if you believe in this support. Kaso nga lang, 2 beses pa na hit eh. So if you believe in this support, pwede ka mag-test buy. Good position kay Vita. Sobra naman if bababa ulit siya dyan. So parang baliwala lang itong akyat na ito. Kinain na ng sistema ng trading si Vita. Bumagsak na siya. Kung babagsak man yan dyan. Right? Si Vita, very good. It has a support. I can trust this support. I don't think Vita is gonna go lower. Right? Kasi sobrang ganda na ni Vita. Ang ganda na ng ni Vita. Don't tell me na nawala lang yung akyat at effort ng mga tao kay Vita paakyat niyan. Right? I think Vita is gonna be doing good at this area right here. I just want you guys to wait for one more confirmation. Pag nag-green yan above dito, ito yung tinuturo ko lagi, di ba? This is a green candlestick, pero it's still closed below the Bollinger Band, so this is still a negative Bollinger Band trigger. If this closes above this line right here, that's a reversal sign. Get in Vita pag pumasok dyan. Right, so I just want you to be safe. Meron na tayong isang confirmation dito sa support. One more confirmation, if it closes today at a higher level, get in Vita. Actually, pwede ko na to recommend si Vita eh. So I'm gonna be putting Vita in my recommendations today. Pwede na kayo mag-start ng buying kay Vita. Right? This is a good sign right here. If it goes down, this is a solid support kay Vita. Pwede na kayo mag-all in sa support na yun. I don't think it's gonna go lower than that. Kaso nga lang kinain ng trading system si Vita. Kinain ng mga traders ng PSE. Right, so now, we're gonna be talking about now. Ang pwede natin gawin kay now. Ingat kay now. We have a resistance right here around this area. So we're already between support and resistance. This is a speculative stock. You're risking your money here. I'd rather wait for a breakout muna before getting in, or if it goes down below. Kahapon, recommend ko si Now. Kahapon was the best entry kay Now. Actually, dito yung best entry, but kahapon you could have earned still kay Now. Right, so that's for now. Right, I'd rather wait for it to do a breakout or go back down to support. I will not recommend buying now anymore. Kahapon yung best position. DMC, look at that. Woo! Recommendation, DMC. We have a confirmation right here. DMC might be on a reversal again. So I think this is good for DMC. I'll put DMC on my recommendations then. Watch list lang ito. I can't really say the best recommendations. Isa siguro si CEI, si Vita, si BRN, DMC. Yan, maganda rin si DMC. Right, medyo malaki-laki yung watch list natin. Ang daming magagandang positions, right? Dahil sa market is so low, kaya ang ganda ng mga positions. ISM, Wala na akong boses. Sorry. Excuse me muna. ISM. Here we go. ISM, pula siya kahapon. I think magpo-pull back to si ISM. For swing traders, wait for it at MA20 or this previous support right here, previous bounce, baka gawin niya support yan. That's your entry point right there. But definitely watch out for ISM. There's intraday potential there because this is a bullish stock. MPI, we discussed about that already. MRC. MRC downtrend pa. We're not seeing signs of reversal, but we are nearing a support level right here. So that's a good sign for MRC. Anytime soon, MRC might bounce. I want you to watch MRC. Bukas, I want you guys to ask me MRC again. Check natin yan bukas. BSC, very near resistance. It's looking good. Pwede naman itong mag-Bollinger Band trigger today. Actually, may resistance dito. Next resistance is there. So, BSC, watch out for BSC. Baka mag-break out yan sa previous resistance niya. This is very tricky position. Let me see your risk. I'd rather wait for it to do a Bollinger Band trigger. Right? Ang problema nito BSC is, naghahabol tayo sa opportunity. The best opportunity was this support right here. I don't want you guys to chase that opportunity. This is a missed opportunity. Dapat dito pa lang sa baba, nung nag-hit siya sa support, pumasok na tayo dyan. This is already a missed opportunity for BSC. I don't want you to chase it anymore. Right? I'd rather want for it to do a breakout muna. Right? So that's for BSC. FLI, discussed about FLI already. I'm recommending FLI. Bloom. Yan, si Bloom. Negative Bollinger Band trigger pa. Let's look at the supports. RSI is reaching that level na maganda na. Right, so there's a support right here, 9.24. This will be a good position for Bloom if ever it bounces there. So as of the moment, I don't want you guys to buy Bloom yet, but anytime soon, right? Ang ganda na ng position niya. Look at RSI, it's at critical levels na. Pwede ito mag-bounce anytime soon. So abangan niyo yung bounce ni Bloom. Maganda naman yung performance ni Bloom eh. So this is really backed up by good numbers. It's just that the market sentiment is really low. This is a good support for Bloom. Anytime soon it's gonna bounce. So definitely watch out for Bloom. I'm gonna be looking at Bloom today together with FLI and JGS. Wait for that bounce first. Hinaan ko lang ang boses ko. I hope you can hear me. Lapit ko lang yung microphone ko. Wala nang boses. Isang oras na pala ako nagsasalita. Alright. Asan na ako? Now, DMC, we already discussed about that. DMC, I'm gonna check out DMC again, second look. Right, yan. Si DMC is a bounce. Lagay ko rin si DMC sa recommendations natin. Andun na si DMC pala. Right, MRC, BSC. Si BSC, yeah, we discussed about that already. Huwag nyo habulin. Si AB. Yan, si AB, attack big wedge, forming a support right here. You can test by at 19. Yan, best position is 19. Right? AC. Yan, si AC. Ang ganda na ng support ni AC. Nag-bounce na si AC. Right? AC is at a very good price already. 866. Napakamura na yan. When the market started falling down, look at that. Anong nangyari kay AC? This is at a very good position already. The major support is right here. But I think because of the market recovering already, it's not gonna go down to that support anymore. AC, definitely. Kasama ni SMPH at MBT yan. AC. Blue chip plays. Right, so AC isa sa mga magaganda. BDO, pag-usapan natin si BDO, pulahan si BDO yesterday, but still holding on to that support. Actually, na-break niya yung support niya. Right here, but I don't think BDO is gonna go any lower. Anyway, support area pa naman yan eh. Area, support is not, karamihan ng misconception ng mga tao is support is a line. No, support is an area right there. It's at its support area still. So, this is still a very good position for BDO. This might bounce anytime soon. BDO is a good company, right? Huwag kayong mag-aalala dyan sa company niya. STR, ang dami nagtatanong about STR. Yan, yung sinasabi ko, downtrend pa rin si STR, but we're at this support area right here. Meron tayong support area dito, baka mag-bounce yan anytime soon at that support area. Right? But then again, be careful. STR, look at the RSI ni STR. It's at critical level, so that's a good sign. Anytime soon, STR might bounce. Right? May nag-hype, may nabasa ako nag-hype kay STR. STR daw is will become one of the third telco players. We can't be sure about that. So, yan, hinahype nila kasi si Stream Tech baka gawing backdoor ni Villar, si STR. So, it's nearing support, right? If you are fond of STR, good. Kung naipit kay STR, you can average down at that area right there. Or pag nagrally man yan si STR, magbenta kayo ng 20%, right? Definitely watch STR, right? Nagbabounce na siya nga eh. This is a short-term support. Nag-stop siya at that level. Most probably, it might bounce at that level already. Hindi siya nagbo-Bollinger Band trigger, so it's a slow na pabagsak yan. Time check, 9:03. Mataas-taas pa naman yung oras. STR, RWM. RWM still stabilizing. We have a green one right here. Magkano yung risk natin if papasok tayo dyan? Yeah, maganda pa naman yung position kay RWM. It's stabilizing. It's a very stable price. I'm just gonna get this nearer. Sakit talaga nalalamunan ko. Just gonna get it nearer. Yan, dyan. Maganda yung position ng RWM. Very solid support right here. Pwede kayo mag-test buy niyan. Si Heaven nga pala. Si Heaven guys, bumagsak. Right? Get out of Heaven. Right? Yung mga nag-hold kay Heaven, lumabas na kayo dyan. Right? Get out of Heaven. Pumasok lang bigla sa isip ko kasi yun yung position ni RWM. Grabe yung stabilization. Sobrang overpressed ni Heaven. And si RWM, similar position, but at least RWM has a good background with bakit umakyat yung position yan kay RWM. Right? So, yan. Yun yung mga questions. Ang last kanina na nabasa ko is, sino nga ba yun? I think si Rad Abes, yan. STR at RWM, yan. Si Rad Abes nga pala. Daryl John Morales, may buntag. Maro Malvar, Tel, umaakyat na. Pwede na mag-buy, sir, no? Ingat lang kay Tel. Because of the third telco, hinihila ito pababa eh. Yes, maganda na yung presyo niya. But then again, downtrend pa ito. I don't think na-break na yung downtrend niya. But this is a good sign. Pag nag-stabilize yan, you can test buy Tel. Huwag kang mag-all-in Maro, okay? I think this is gonna stabilize for a bit around this support right here, around 1137. Then again, that's already a good price. Yes, you can test buy Tel. Maganda yung test. Pwede siya i-test buy na. Maganda na yung impression niya. From 1,900, grabe yung bagsak na yan. From 1,900, 900 pesos ang binagsak ni Tel. Belencia, Katubig, Sir Lloyd, yung BRN and MPI, can I start slowly accumulating? Yes, definitely. These are very good positions already. Start accumulating na kayo. STV Trader, PXP, Primex, WPI, Metrobank. We already talked about Metrobank. WPI was doing good lately. Yan. May support na si WPI. Definitely good start to buy. But, kay WPI. Primex. Yun, si Primex nga pala. Kamusta na si Primex? Nagsa-sideways pa rin. So, look at this. Ito yung napakagandang position kay Primex. Wait for MA20. Pag na-reach niya yung MA20 na yan, abangan nyo. I'm guessing at MA20, baka umakyat na yan, umarangkada na yan. Nagko-consolidate pa lang siya as of the moment. So, that's for Primex, PXP. Alright. PXP. Forming a support right here. So, I can't be sure if magandang tong support nito eh. But then again, this price is good. Malapit na siya sa levels na solid levels niya na dito. So already reaching that level na nag-breakout siya, 'di ba? This was its breakout point. Ang lapit na niya. So I think this is starting to look good for PXP. I will not recommend PXP because speculative pa siya. Yung akyat niya was speculative. So, yan. Ingat lang kay PXP. Nasa na yun? Melvin is a question. Sir, ilang percent ng losses ang target nyo before ka mag-cut loss? Excuse me. Yan. Ang cut loss ko really is 3 to 5% below support. So, as much as possible, I'm gonna get near support kasi yan yung yan yung cut loss ko, especially as a position trader. Position trader kasi ako eh. So I really want to position at the bottom as much as possible para ma-maximize ko yung cut loss ko. Kasi pag umakyat yan, tas doon pa ako pumasok and I cut loss below 3 to 5%, including the akyat na yan, plus 3 to 5%, umaabot na ng 8% if ever ganyan. So as much as possible, I position myself at the bottom. Right? Para pag mag-cut. And then also, technique is, don't go all in. Sa baba, ang ipasok mo is small amounts lang so that in case you need to cut loss, maliit lang din ang talo mo. Don't worry about your earnings, right? Don't be greedy about the earnings. Really, it's about minimizing your loss. Earnings will just come, right? So, don't worry about not earning much sa akyat na yan, sa initial akyat na yan. Worry about your losses, right? Minimize your loss as much as possible. So, yan, 3 to 5% below the support. Tapos, kasi maliit lang ang pinasok mo pa, maliit lang yung 3 to 5% na yan. So, that's what you do. Right, STV Trader asking about Tugs. Kamustahin natin si Tugs? Wala lang boses. Tugs, still doing sideways. Nagsa-sideways pa siya. Maganda na yung presyo niya, but I'd rather wait. This is already a solid support right here. RSI is looking good. MACD, indefinite yung MACD, but this is a good position kay Tugs. You can start accumulating at this position already. Good morning, Coach. Is waterfall effect for swing traders or may ibang suggestion po kayo for swing traders? Yung waterfall is for intraday trader. Do not do that for swing trading. Hindi effective ang waterfall for swing trading. Mary Jane Tang is asking about MBT. We discussed about that already. Napakaganda na ng position ng MBT. Right? Even if it's red, look at that. We have that support already. That's a support area for MBT. Raymar, good morning then. Ted Abrisha, good morning from Singapore. Good morning, Ted. And Jeff Mendoza, good morning. Melvin, sir, ilang percent na loss? Ayan. We'll answer that already. Hannah Christia, naka-freeze parent screen. Just refresh your your YouTube. Sir, si Tugs, we talked about that. Shell PH, sir, from Benjamin Tina. Rimar Mariano, we already talked about Tugs. Benjamin Tina, Shell PH. Bosses ko, wala na. Right, Shell PH. Attempted to break out but still riding that resistance level. Remember, I recommended Shell if it does a breakout few days ago. Hindi pa nagbe-breakout, so wag na muna. The cryptic one, magbuntag. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Sa tabi ng mukha ko, meron dyang logo ng Financial Freedom 101. Just click on that. Then you should be able to subscribe. Also, if you want to help the channel out, you can do the super chat. Any super chat will be greatly appreciated. This will help us continue the program, help me help more Filipinos. You can create a coins.ph account instead if you don't want to use the super chat. Coins.ph, libre lang gumawa. Be ready for the cryptocurrency revolution. So anytime soon, pwede kayong bumili ng crypto whenever, if you already have a coins.ph account. Right, please use the link on the description to help me. Time check, 9:11, so we have 10 minutes more. I'll try my best to cater to everyone's questions. Medyo masakit na lalamunan ko eh, so hinaan ka lang boses ko. Morning, Vita, anong vibes at Vulcan? Intraday trading lang sa Vulcan, medyo mataas na. Si Vita is in one of my recommendations. Nga pala. So, I'm gonna be posting. I-paste ko lang itong. Sorry about this. Uy, nag-freeze. Sorry about that. My PC froze. But okay na. Ano nga ba yun? Ano ba yung ulit gagawin ko? Yes, yung recommendations review. Just a recap of the recommendations today. Medyo marami-rami ito. This is for the intraday. Post ko lang. Intraday potentials. Yan, may nag-ask kanina ano yung mga nasa intraday natin na titignan. These are your intraday potentials. This is just for scalping, ha. This is not for position traders. This is for scalping purposes only. If they will go bullish today, sakyan nyo yan. Nga pala si OR. There are more news coming kay OR. So, hindi lang for intraday si OR. Pwede pa kayong pumasok kay OR. And then just cut loss at your purchase area. But just get in and on a bearish move. Right? So, this is part 1 of my recommendations. And pasensya na at medyo marami-rami yung mga recommendations natin. As because, ang daming magagandang positions really. In this kind of market, sobrang dami na mga magagandang positions. Alright. So, nasa chatroom natin, okay? STR, Jeff Mendoza, we already discussed about that. Ion, Darwin Lares asking about Ion. Ion, punta natin si Ion. Si Primex na nasagot na natin. Si Ion, bumabagsak pa. Wait for a bounce kay Ion. Look at the Elliott waves ni Ion. Is this a higher bounce? Dalawa. If it bounces higher, that's a good opportunity kay Ion. Right? That's the third wave niya na mas mataas ang support niya. Right? So, Ion, definitely very good. Watch out for it. If you are here tomorrow, Darwin, please remind me about Ion. Tingnan natin pag nag-bounce yan si Ion. So, just wait for that bounce. Veronica Tabusares, good morning then. Romeo Cruz, good morning Sir Lloyd. IRC, talked about that. Tugs, now in Costco, na-cover na natin yung lahat. Right, halos ang dami na natin na-cover ha. Si Joseph Magsinio, IDC, recommending IDC still kasi andyan pa yan sa support niya. Sherwin Abdon, Joan Carnejo, good morning. Mary Jane Tang is asking about SSI. And SSI, geez, still going down. It broke its support, so it's still very bearish. Pero look at that. Look at the RSI. It's at 18 already. Let me see the performance. Okay naman. Uy, SSI, bottom fish pala ito eh. Very good find, Mary Jane Tang. Anytime soon this should bounce SSI. So I'm gonna put SSI. Right, eto guys, panoorin nyo rin si SSI ha. Anytime soon, this is gonna bounce. Right. This is together with FLI, JGS. Yun sa mga may hilig sa bottom fishing, Costco, FLI, JGS, Bloom, DMC. Right? Panoorin niyo yung mga stock na yan. SSI, very good find, Mary Jane Tang. Right? Yan. Maki, ISM, and now we already covered that. You're welcome. Joseph Magsino, tapos na ba IDC? Kakanood ko lang. Yes, IDC, yes. We just discussed about IDC. It's still good to go kasi nasa support pa naman. Christian Andrew, good evening, sir. ACALI and Crown, sir. We already discussed about that. Si Crown, hindi pa. Crown Asia. Chemicals, had its support. Right. Uy, maganda yung support ni Crown. Right? Tingnan, panoorin mo si Crown. If you're into Crown, yes, maganda yung support ni Crown. And they have consistent earnings, kaso nga lang, hindi ganong malaki. But yes, Crown is at a very good position, nasa baba. This is a reversal right here. Bollinger Band trigger, negative Bollinger Band trigger, and then there's that engulfing. So that's a good position for Crown. Look at that. The last time it happened, trigger, and then we have a engulfing right there. This is another reversal right here. So maganda si Crown. Merong opportunity dito. Asan na ako? Rene Barola, what's your best stock to watch for intraday trading? I just posted it, Rene. So check it out. Bultron and Tipas, good morning. LRMAH PXP from Bultron. Yan, si LR. Kamusta na si LR? And LR still holding that support. That's a very good support. Buy as long as the support holds. MAH, I think bumabagsak na si MAH eh. It's already at MA20 levels. I think this is gonna do sideways. But the good thing about this is pwede kayong bumili, right, MAH, and then just cut loss at MA20, right? It's already at MA20, so definitely I'm gonna be adding MAH sa things to watch today. Right, there's a potential kay MAH, right? Lagay nyo sa MAH sa intraday ninyo. I don't want you guys to hold on to MAH nga lang kasi it's overpriced for me. I consider MAH as overpriced. APL surplus come from Chris 18. And Apollo Global. We have a support right there. Wait na lang tayo. I want to have a more solid confirmation dito kay Apollo APL. Then again, this is still going down. So I won't not recommend APL for the meantime. Heaven, get out of heaven. Mark Tapang. SGM stocks, AC. Sakit na lalamunan ko. Sorry. I don't think I'll be able to cover all the questions today. I'm just gonna go through the recommendations as fast as I can. Wala na akong boses kasi sakit na lalamunan ko. And then it's almost time, right? AC, yes, definitely. AC, nasa lista natin yan. Look, Samuel, Jazz for intraday. Yan, any inputs kay MAH, look at it. JD, look at it for intraday. Tignan mo intraday niya, nasa MA20 na siya. Baka umakyat yan. Look, Sam, just cut loss below MA20. Pag nag-bullish yan, sakyan mo. Then just cut loss below MA20. Fencer, please. I was recommending Fen. Yan, nasa si Fen. Yan, nasa recommendation ko si Fen. Right, Darcy. Let's talk about Fen ulit. Just a little review. Fen kasi may support na yan dyan. RSI is looking good for Fen. Look at that. And MACD is starting to meet each other. Right. Darcy is asking about OR. There is good intraday potential kay OR. But then again, meron tayong insider kay OR na nagsabi na may mga news pa na coming kay OR. So may linuluto si OR na maganda. So I think there's good potential in OR. Hanap na kayo ng magandang position kay OR. Right? Romel Acasiano, APX kaya, sir? APX, yes, I've been recommend ko naman sa APX eh. Nasa support pa naman siya. Kaso nga lang, negative Bollinger Band trigger dito. Ingat na muna kay APX. So, let's wait for it to form a solid support before doing test buy. Jokno in the house. Yan, Jokno, shout out kay Yogi. Kasama ko sa work, nasa kabilang room. Hello, Yogi. Yan. Good morning, Mark Jefferson. Asa na yun? Nawala. Yeah. Sir, lahat ng Villar stocks nag-nosedive. Yeah, it's because of people realizing na hype lang naman karamihan dun eh. So, tapos na ang party kay Villar stocks. Let's wait for it to stabilize ulit before the party starts again. Hindi naman forever ang mga parties eh. Kahit si Jollibee nga paakit ang downtrend. And good morning, Sir Lloyd. Thank you sa live chat mo. Gain kakahapon kay Vul tsaka IRC. Very good. Alright, good job. Rally Lemore. Alright, Vulcan, intraday potential lang kay Vulcan. Wag for swing trader. Watch out Vulcan for today. Pwede may intraday dyan. Romel Icasiano, sir, di ba may news about mga mining companies? May effects ba to sa mga mining stocks? Yes, definitely. Something good to look at yung mga mining companies. Kaso nga lang, may mga suspension eh. Intayin pa natin yung official na news kung sino yung mga companies na approve, alright? Na yung natanggal yung suspension. I'm gonna update you ano yung mga companies na titignan natin once that news comes out. Raquel says ito, how about BDO? Maganda na si BDO, pwede niyo pasukin, tsaka si MBT. Just test buy lang. Alexander Uwano asking about ANI. Yan, si ANI still at that breakout level right there. So, antayin lang natin mag-breakout ulit, mag-confirm siya ng breakout. Rather wait for it at May 20. Wag muna, right? Wag muna pumasok. Nahihirapan siya umakyat ulit eh. MRT. Ano? May MRT. Sorry. Ano sinasabi mong MRT? Sabi ko, ano MRT? Right, from Ayan Pinoy, can you please clarify ano yung sinasabi mo for MRT? Dana Luceno, so good question. Sir Lloyd, posible kaya na si Converge ICT, it could be the dark horse in the third telco race. there's a chance. Everything is chance naman eh. But as of now, I really don't like speculation. For me, personally, as an investor, kasi I still have that investor side, I don't want speculative stocks. I don't like speculative stocks. But then again, if you're a trader, there's always an opportunity there on speculations, right? So we're speculating na Dark Horse, si Converge ICT, there's a big chance kasi ICT can meet the requirements, diba? So let's just wait. We can't tell. Kasi ang problema nito, if I will favor Converge ICT, baka magbagsakan din si Now, diba? Kawawa naman yung iba. So I don't want to speculate. I'd just rather have the price action do the talking for the meantime. ICT kasi, ang problema kay Converge ICT, hindi tayo makatrade eh. They're saying that Vulcan ang backdoor ni Converge ICT. So, yeah, there's that theory, but I can't really tell that for sure. Jose Jed Aguilar, ISM sir, there's good potential intraday kay ISM. So, intraday lang, wag for swing trading, alright? For ISM. Good morning from Auckland, New Zealand. Alright, very good. Araw-araw natututo because of this great. Salamat, sir. Yes, you're welcome. Alfie Tamayo. Sir, IDC, please. We talked about IDC. Nasa lista natin si IDC. Daryl John, you're welcome. Thank you, Den. Thank you. And inom muna ng warm salabat. Yeah, bibili ako ng maraming salabat this week. Salamat, sir. Paulit-ulit kami na di kami right. You're welcome, everyone. I guess that's it for today. Recap lang ulit. There was a recap. I posted a recap. I'll post the recap again. Right, for intraday. Ito yung mga intraday stocks na pwede nyong abangan. Position trades. Ito yung mga gandang position trades. And lastly, ito. These are the good position trading stocks, right? So, mag-ipon na kayo dyan sa mga position trades na yan. For intraday, yung pinakaunang binigay ko sa inyo. Right? Sir, H2O, wala pang return, wala pang news na babalik sa H2O, but kung bumalik yan, there's good intraday potential dyan. Eri Rivera, how about SecB? And she just logged in. Let's try to look at that. Ayan, sa SecB, ang ganda ng bounce sa SecB. Kaso nga lang malapit na siya sa resistance. So, just wait for it to do a breakout or go back to its support and form a good support. That's for Eri, right? MRP. I am Pinoy, MRP. We discussed about MRP already, have we? Yan. MRP, maganda yung position niya kahit bumabagsak yan. This company is doing good. So, anytime soon, MRP might bounce. As of the moment, bearish pa yung signal niya. So, don't go in MRP for the moment. Right, John Carne, thank you. More power to you, sir. You've been very helpful. Thank you so much then. Wag si Converge, wala siya IPO. Yes, wag si Converge. I'm hoping hindi sa Converge kasi I really want to invest in the third telco. May nakaipon na akong pera para sa third telco, ang tagal lumabas. SGM stock, hirap mag-speculate and remember what happened sa Razon buying AAI to become blue. Mukhang same ito kay Now speculations. Yes, really don't do speculations, right? I really hate speculations because you are gambling, and me as an advocate to help newbies stay away from speculative stocks. Ang hirap ng speculative stocks. Kakainin kayo ng mga galing na traders dyan. Right? If you're just a newbie, stay away from speculation. Siguro yun yung excuse mo na. Oops. Siguro yun yung biggest na i-discuss ko sa inyo today. With the third telco hypes, I know everyone is excited. But remember, excitement is your enemy in stocks, right? If you're too excited, you're gonna lose money. That's one of the emotions na kalaban natin sa stock exchange. So don't get too excited, right? These are speculations. Speculation is gambling. Gusto ko talaga itatak yan sa mga newbies kasi ayoko maraming naiipit, right? Kasi ang daming mga tao dyan na nag-hype kay Now, kay Vulcan. I don't want you guys to be imprisoned in these kinds of stocks kasi ang daming naiipit dyan, especially yung mga excited. Don't get too excited sa mga telco stocks. If you really wanna get in, kung gusto nyo matuto mag-trade dyan, put
put in small amounts lang, right? Small amounts lang. Don't risk your entire capital. Ito yung sagot sa mga natatakot sa stocks kasi ang dami na nagpo-post, Sir Lloyd, I lost 40% of my port. Naipit kay now, ganito, ganyan. That is because you risk your entire port in trading. Do not trade your entire capital. If you are a student of mine, I will always teach you that majority of stock exchange should be about protecting your capital. So if you have 100,000, dapat 60,000 dyan, linalagay nyo sa blue chips. Secure that. 40,000 nyo, pwede nyo i-trade yan. Basta majority of your amount should be secured in a blue chip. Right? Yung 40,000 na yan, pag kumita kayo, maging 50,000 yan, wag gawing 50,000 ang i-trade mo. Right? The 10,000 na earning mo, ilagay mo ulit sa blue chip. Secure that. That's how you survive in stock exchange. That's how you survive trading and be rich in the future. Kasi ang goal natin is not just isang kahig, isang tuka. Kasi yung mga traders, isang kahig, isang tuka yan eh. Diba? So, if I earn today, good. If wala akong earnings, wala akong kakainin. Diba? That's bad. Right? You have to secure your earnings and put it in a safe company. Our goal in getting into stock exchange is that 5 to 10 years from now, we will be millionaires, and that is how you become a millionaire. Secure your earnings. If may kita kayo this month na 5,000 sa trabaho ninyo, wag nyong igagamble yan at ititrade yan. Don't risk that 5,000. Put it in a cost averaging stock. Dapat may specific amount lang kayo for trading. Right? May specific amount lang kayo for trading, and yun yung pera na okay lang sa inyo mawala. Dapat may secured kayo sa blue chips. Right? Ganyan, that is how you become rich in stock exchange. Right? It's okay. Vance Gomez is asking about ISM. Yes, ISM. There's good intraday potential dyan. Huwag mo habulin if you're a swing trader. If you're an intraday trader, yes, may intraday potential dyan. Yan, si Joseph Magsino is asking, if mag-start pa lang sa stock market, sir, let's say 20,000 capital, ano po dapat gawin? If kaka-start mo lang, invest that in a good company. Pasok mo kay SMPH, pasok mo kay ALI yan. Huwag mo iti-trade yung 20,000 na yan. Kasi mangyayari yan, kakasimula mo pa lang, and I know, if iti-trade mo yan, you are gonna lose your money. Kung mawawala yung 20,000 mo, maging 10,000 na lang yan, you're gonna lose hope. I mean, you're gonna be frustrated and mawawalan kayo ng gana kay stock exchange, and you're gonna stop investing. Right? I don't want you to lose. I don't want you to be frustrated with stock exchange. I want you to win in stock exchange. So, protect that money. Ay, nga pala, 9:30 na. Right, that's it, guys. Sorry, napaganda yung usapan eh. Then again, once again, thank you. See you tomorrow. Hindi na ako nakapag-trade. Alright, let's get rich together. Bilisan ko na yung closing. You're welcome, guys. Happy trading. Bye-bye.